Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. So today's the day of the drawing for the giveaway that I'm doing, and it is actually currently 6:05 p.m. on Tuesday the 21st. I told you guys I would be doing it between 5 and 6, so I'm gonna do it right now. So as you see right here on the screen, I have 27 responses. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the random number generator, and that's gonna be 1 through 27. I have this here because when you're looking at the other screen, it says you can see the first name, and I just want to make sure I respect everybody's privacy on that. So generate, and it's going to be number 23 is going to be the winner. I will be notifying the winner prior to me releasing this, which, you know, I'll be releasing this tonight. So, and let me get to number, I think it's the number 23. Sorry guys. Yeah, it's been a long day. I'm tired. Oh, I just went past where I need it to be. So number 23, and the winner is going to be Scarlett. So I'll be notifying her, letting her know she won. And thank you guys all so much for subscribing to my channel. You guys have no idea what it means to me to have you guys all here. I just really want to say thank you to each and every one of you, and I really appreciate it, and I definitely will be doing more giveaways, and I enjoy doing this. I have a lot of fun. This makes me happy. I feel like I'm at least able to give something back to you guys for taking your time to watch my videos and, you know, just be a part of my channel, and I really look forward to doing more of these things, guys. I hope you have a great day. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing it and hitting the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Bye.